Sri Sai Ram. Dear children, heartily welcome to once again Sri Sathya Sai Lokaseva Gurukulam online video classes. So today in this session we continue the equation of straight line third type, means equation of straight line intercept form. Okay. See, in this session we see that derivation of the equation of straight line intercept form and related problems, some related problems. So observe here, what is the meaning of intercept? What is the meaning of intercept? Already I told to you in the previous classes what is the equation, what is the intercept meaning. Suppose the line cuts, once again observe here, what is the meaning of intercepts? This is the equation of straight line intercept form. Okay. So what is the meaning of intercept? Suppose the line L cuts x axis at A, y axis at B, let O is the origin, then OA is called x intercept, OA is called the x intercept and OB is called y intercept. In this first quadrant both are positive, if the line on the first quadrant both are positive. So generally the x intercept is denoted by A and y intercept is denoted by B, generally small a and small b. See, equation of line intercept form, correct? I think you understand what is the meaning of intercept. Intercept is nothing but if the straight line of the line cuts x axis some point and y axis some point, say here A and B, then OA is said to be x intercept and OB is said to be y intercept. Okay, this is the intercept. Suppose intercepts are given, then how can you write equation of straight line? Let us see. We want to find equation of a straight line which cuts of given intercepts, on both coordinate axes. Both means x axis as well as y axis. See, observe here, this is x axis, y axis, both the coordinate axes. Let PQ be the line, say the PQ line L or PQ, P and Q, PQ be the line, here given PQ, no, therefore you take PQ, be the line meeting x axis at A, that line is meet x axis, no, this is A point, correct, x axis in A and y axis in B, point, this is y axis. Therefore OA is nothing but, this O is the origin, before I told you OA is nothing but small a. The intercept, x intercept is always generally denoted by small a. OA equal to A, this is OA, OA is nothing but x intercept, that is A, and OB is nothing but B, this OB is nothing but y intercept. Then coordinates of A, so the coordinates of A becomes, A coordinate is, this is A, no, this point lies in exactly x axis, here is A length, y coordinate is 0, because the point lies on x axis, y coordinate is 0. What is coordinates of B? Here is x 0, the point lies on x axis, sorry, y axis, y coordinate is 0, length is B here, this is B, correct, 0 comma B. A is 0, A comma 0 and B is 0 comma B. These are the coordinates of A and B. OB equal to B, then the coordinates of A and B are A comma 0 and B 0 comma B respectively. Means this is A coordinates, this is the B coordinate. I think very simple. First observe here, what is given I here, no need to write as it is, you can write your own sentence, but you have to write correct OB values, OA values, intercept, draw the correctly figure, draw first figure, no need to take PQ also, you take LMN, otherwise simply say L. I taking here A, B, no, you take some capital, don't take X and Y, you will get confused, X is Y axis is there, you take another M and N here instead of A and B. So no need to take M, A and B, you take your values, no problem, but should be take correctly, draw the correct figure, then what you have to draw in, you have to write here, what in the writing that should be belongs to in figure only. This is very important. So let us start next. Okay, how can you derive now? This is very important. Observe here. The equation of AB is, means equation of AB means line L is. How can write equation of AB? What is this formula? You know equation of straight line 2-point form here. Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 dividing by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So already we completed this one. I think in previous session, that is third theorem. third derivation of equation of straight line 2-point form. You take x minus x on this side, y minus y1 by x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So you have to use this formula for this derivation, because see, observe here, what is our main aim to find the equation of AB, means line L. We know this point a comma 0, we know this point 0 comma b. Use equation of straight line 2-point form. Equation of straight line 2-point form. What is 2-point form? The first point is x1 y1, the second point is x2 y2. Equation of straight line 2-point form we have to use here. What is equation of straight line? The equation of line joining AB and B is 2-point form. 2-point form you have to use here. 2-point form. What is 2-point forms here? Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 is equal into x minus x1. Okay. Y as it is here, continue here. After this, you will continue here. Y as it is, what is y1? See, observe here. x1, y1. y1 is 0, correct? Equal to, here is equal to y2. What is y2 here? B. See here, instead of y2, b minus y1. y1 is here 0 by x2. What is x2? 0. It is 0, correct? x1. What is x1 here? A. Correct. Now simplification here. What is the simplification? Or this can be written as y minus 0 is nothing but y. Correct? Y minus 0 is nothing but y. B minus 0, b. We know b minus 0, b. 0 minus a, this is minus a. B minus 0. B minus 0 is equal to b. 0 minus a is equal to minus a. Totally becomes minus b by a. Minus b by, correct? Simplification of this. B minus 0, b. 0 minus a, x minus a as it is. So what is this? You take a b here. Observe here. I simplify this one first. What is this total here? Observe here, or this can be written as, you take b this side. Otherwise, do the cross multiplication, you get same answer. You get same answer. Otherwise, you take b this side. Y by b is equal to, what is remaining here? B this side, minus is remaining. Minus 1 by a. X minus a is remaining, correct? B here minus 1 by x minus a. Multiply minus 1 by x into bracket, what happened? So y by b is equal to minus 1 by into x minus, this is x by a, correct? Minus 1 by into minus a. Minus 1 by into minus a. Minus minus cancel, a get cancelled, remaining plus 1. Here is the same steps, correct? Here is the same step. Now you take minus x by this side, what happened? You take minus x by this side, becomes plus x by a. Plus x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Observe here. Here is the step, last step. This is the x by a plus y by b is equal to x by a plus y by b equal to 1. This is the equation of straight line. Which form? Intercept form. I think you understand the derivation here, simplification steps. I write detail here each and every step. So you can go another method is there, some like this, cross multiplication. This becomes this step. Observe here. A into y, ay, minus b into x, minus bx, minus b into ab, plus ab. Takes bx this side. Px plus ay is equal to ab. Dividing both sides by ab. Here is ab dividing. Here is ab dividing. Here is ab divide. What happened here? bb get cancel. X by a plus a get cancel. Y by b is equal to ab we get cancel. Answer is 1. So x by a plus y by b equal to 1. This is the equation of straight line intercept form, where a is the small a is here now. A is x intercept and b is y intercept. Correct. Here both are positive. So this is the required equation of the line having intercepts a and b on the axis, means both x axis and y axis, where small a is there, no, that is x axis, that is the intercept of x axis, and b is y intercept, small b is the y intercept. Very simple formula. You can remember this one, x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Okay, let us start some examples. Solution. see what is the given here. Find the equation of line which cuts off intercepts phi on -3 on x and y axis respectively. See, observe here, no need to draw the figure. No need to draw the figure. If you need figure, if you want a clear understanding, I can draw this here figure. So no need to draw figure. So what is given here? Find the equation of line which cuts off intercepts phi and -3 on x and y axis. X on x intercept is a equal to, you take a here, no? Let, because x intercept is here, a equal to 5 and y intercept b is -3. See, x is positive here, x intercept is positive, y intercept is negative. I think line like this, line L. This is how much? Given 5. This is how much? Given -3. This is no, y intercept is negative here. Therefore, line will come this like this. You have to write equation of this line. Write equation of the line L. Use equation of line intercept form, because here intercepts are given x and y. The equation of line intercept form is what is the equation of line? X by a plus y by b equal to 1. X as it is, a is nothing but 5 plus minus, this is plus, y by b is nothing but -3 equal to 1. This is plus, don't get confused, this is plus. Simplification, x by 5 plus minus minus, y by 3 equal to 1. Okay, so this is also correct. This is our answer. If you need, if this is also, you have to convert in general form also. This is also correct. You can write like this, taking LCM. LCM is 15, 3x minus 5, y equal to 1. This can be done. 3x minus 5 is equal to 15, or 3x minus 5y minus 15 equal to 0. This is the equation of straight line. I can convert this intercept into general form. Otherwise, you keep as it is. This is also correct answer. X by 5 minus y by 3 equal to 1. See, means this line, equation of this line we got here. 3x minus 5 minus 15 equal to 0. Observe here, clearly this line is passing through. This is 5 comma 0 actually point. This coordinate becomes 0 comma minus 3. This line is passing through 5 comma 0 and 0 comma minus 3. Suppose put x equal to 5, y equal to 0. Just observe here. 3 into 5 minus 5 into 0 minus 15 equal to 0. What happened here? 3 5s are 15. This becomes 0, minus 15 equal to 0. So 15 50 get cancel, 0 equal to 0. Our answer is correct. This is the equation of straight line intercept form. If the given intercept, we can write this equation straight line intercept form. So we can convert into general form also. This is also correct. We can extend the same value, same equation like this in general form. Okay. Let us see the next problem. What is given here? A little bit here given indirectly, means x intercept, y intercept is not given directly here. Here given. So what is the question? This type of questions you have to draw the figure. That is easily understand to you. Find the equation of line which passes through 3 comma 4. Means the line is passing through 3 comma 4 and makes intercept on the axis equal magnitude but opposite in direction. So how can you draw this figure? Equal magnitude and opposite in direction. Magnitude is equal and direction is opposite. Like this, I draw like this L, line L. This line is L passing through the 3 comma 4, axis 3 was simply rough figure. Line L is passes through the point 3 comma 4 and makes intercept on the axis, means both x-axis and y-axis equal magnitude, means magnitude is nothing but length. You know, magnitude is nothing but length. Length equal magnitude. I take here A. Correct. I take here A. Equal magnitude, but opposite sign. Opposite sign is nothing but you take this is minus A. Same take A, but you take minus A because opposite in direction. Suppose magnitude is same, this is minus A. Who is the origin? Correct? Simple. Opposite in sign. Sign is, that is plus, this is negative. No need to draw the figure, you can directly solve the problems. So given the line passing through the line passes through 3 comma 4. Okay, let A and minus A are the intercepts on axis. On axis means x. Why I taking here A and minus A? Given in the problem, making intercepts on the axis equal magnitude means magnitude is same. If you take A x intercept, similarly you take A also y intercept, but you take opposite sign. So therefore I take here A and minus A are the intercepts on axis. The equation of straight line is, the equation of a line is, we know intercept, use the intercept formula, x by A plus y by B equal to 1. So put A as it is, instead of B you take minus A, correct. So this A is x intercept, minus A is y intercept. In the equation we take y intercept as B, no? So instead of B you take minus A. This is x intercept, this is the y intercept. We know the equation of line, x by A plus y by B equal to 1. A is x intercept, B is y intercept. What is B? Y intercept here, minus A, no? You take instead of B minus A, x by A plus y by minus B equal to 1. Simplification. What happened here? Simplification. See, observe here, x by A plus of minus minus y by B, y by not B, this is minus A, y by minus A, this is minus y by A, my plus minus minus equal to 1. LCM A and take A this side becomes x minus y is equal to A. I call equation number 1 for this. A is LCM, take A RHS, A into 1 A, x minus y is equal to A. See, this is the equation of straight line. We don't know value of A because one condition is given here. 1 passes through the point 3 comma 4. 1 passes through 3 comma 4, correct. So put x is equal to 3 and y equal to 4. Put x equal to 3 and y equal to 4 here. Find the value of A. Once again A is substituted in equation number 1, we will get the final answer. So 1 passes through 3 comma 4. Put x equal to 3 and y equal to 4 in equation number 1. What happened? X is 3 minus y is 4 is equal to A. Clearly A equal to minus 1. A equal to minus 1. Put A equal to minus 1 equation number 1. Put A is equal to minus 1 in equation number 1. What happened? X minus y is equal to minus 1 or x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. This is our required answer. This is our required equation of straight line. The line is passing through the point 3 comma minus 4 and makes intercept on the axis equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. Okay, this is the answer. Just observe carefully what is given here. These type of questions are knowledge questions, means we can think what is the given, what you have to find. That is very important. We clear the question, we can solve the answer. We don't have clarity in the question. We don't know what is the given, what you have to find, which formula to use here. So we don't know, we can't solve the problems. Okay, there is problem, then only there is solution. Correct. So you have to see what is the problem there. So how can solve that problem? Either go directly or go indirectly, or use some steps. That is very important. Okay, let us move the next problem. I think here some different question here. The line equation is given in general form. This is general form, Ax plus By plus C equal to 0. Then you have to find x and y intercept. This is the question actually. Find the intercept. You have to find intercept, x intercept and y intercept made by the line. The line equation is given here, 3x minus 2y plus 12 equal to 0. Okay, I call equation number 1. So coordinate axis means here x axis, y axis, this is the line. Line equation is given here, 3x minus 2y plus 12 equal to 0. You have to find x and y intercept. Take A here, B. A, B. You have to find A and B, correct? This is the question. Very simple. This is general equation. You have to convert it into intercept form. How? What is the process? The procedure is 3x minus 2y equal to, you take constant RHS, that is minus 12 here. Dividing, we need here 1, no? Because RHS 1, our equation is intercept form x by a plus y by b equal to 1, correct? This is the equation of straight line, intercept form. RHS is 1, no? So we need RHS 1, here is minus 12. Dividing whole equation by minus 12. What happened? 3x by minus 12 minus 12 minus 2y by minus 12 is equal to minus 12 by minus 12. Simplification. 3 1s are 3 4s are x by minus 4 here. Minus minus plus, minus minus plus, 2 1s are 2 6s are y by 6, minus minus get cancelled, 12 12 get cancelled. What is remaining here? Compare this with x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So what is a here? Minus 4. And what is b here? 6. So we need intercept. Therefore, x intercept a equal to minus 4 here, comparing these two. Y intercept b equal to 6. So x intercept is minus 4, y intercept is 6. These are the intercepts on coordinate axis, correct? Simple. See one more example I write here. Find the x and y intercept for the 3x minus 4y, something minus 36 equal to 0. What is the x and y intercept here? Very simple. Take 36 that side. 3x minus 4y is equal to 36. Dividing whole by 36, 36, 36, 36, correct? 3 1s are 3 1s are 3 2s are x by 12 plus, sorry, minus here, minus 4 1s are 4 9s are 4 by 9 equal to 1. Compare this with this one, a equal to 12 and b equal to, actually this is plus, you take here, it becomes minus here, no? Like this, x by 12, you take plus here, it becomes y by minus 9. This is y equal to 1. So here x intercept a is equal to 12, b equal to minus 9. Can take another example also. So many examples that you can take any general line equation, you have to convert that into intercept form. Then find a and b. A is x intercept, y, b is the y intercept. Okay. Let us remove next problem. See, observe here. Solution. Find the equation of line which cuts off intercept on the length. How much length? Both are positive here. I think the line will come like this. This is line L. Okay. Find the equation of a line which cuts off intercept of length 3 units. 3 units on x axis, 4 units on y axis. Very simple. Here A is given and B is given directly. What is equation of line? We know that x by A plus y by b equal to 1. Substituting here, x by a is nothing but 3 plus y by b is nothing but 4 equal to 1. Or answer. If you need more simplification, LCM 3 4s are 12, cross multiplication 4x plus 3y is equal to 1, that is 4x plus 3y. 12 1s are 12, plus 12 this side, you take minus 12 equal to 0. This is the required equation of line when the length of intercepts are 3 and 2 on x and y axis respectively. Okay. Let us see next problem. Solution. This problem given here some ratio and passing through the point, some knowledge question. You can read carefully the question, what is given, what you have to find here. Clearly you have to find the equation of straight line. Condition is given different here. What is the condition? That given here the line is passing through some point and the intercept given in the ratio. So taking that condition, you have to write equation of straight line. So observe here, what is the question? Find the equation of line which passes through the point x is positive, y is negative. Which quadrant? I think clearly this is here, x is positive, y is negative, means 3 comma minus 2. And and curves of positive intercepts on x and y axis, both are positive intercepts. So you can draw here only line, both are positive intercepts. O is the origin, this is positive intercept, this is positive intercept, the line is passing through here 3, minus 2. In the ratio means you know A by B, A is to B is equal to how much given here, 4 is to 3. It's meaning not A equal to 4 and B equal to 3. Ratio is 4 by 4 is to 3. Means A by B is equal to 4 by 3. This is the meaning. It is not A equal to 4 and B equal to 3. It is wrong. The ratio given in positive, I think don't take here like here positive 4, here is 3. Don't take, if you take both like he means you take here 4, equal to 3. You can write equation of line. No need to take this point. Therefore, this meaning is, this concept is wrong. Don't take like this. I think ratio is given here. Correct. See, observe here, ratio is given here. What is given right first? The line passing through the point 3, minus 2 is given here. And cuts of this positive intercepts means given x and y in the ratio, means A is to B is equal to A is x intercept, y is B is y intercept, both are positive given here. 4 is to 3 is given here. This is given, correct. Once again I tell you, if A is to B equal to 4 is to 3 is nothing but A is 4, don't write A equal to 4 and B equal to 3, this is wrong, don't write. Ratio is 4 is to 3. If you write, this means you can write directly equation of line by x by A plus y by B equal to 1, because we know A and we know B, no need to take the points, therefore don't take like that. So the ratio is given here, this is the given condition. We can write this one here, A by B is equal to 4 by 3. A ratio you can write this like, okay, cross multiplication 3A is equal to 4B. Either you have to convert this A equal to something or B equal to something. Right here B equal to something. What is B equal to? 3A dividing by B. Sorry, B equal to 3A dividing by 4. 4 no? B is equal to 3A dividing by 4. This is the B value. Now write equation of straight line intercept form. The equation of line is x by A plus y by B equal to 1. X by, what is A? A is nothing but here. We don't know, keep A as it is here, because A is not equal to 4. Just once again I tell you, A is not equal to 4, x by plus y by B. B we know here in terms of A, 3A by 4 equal to 1. We take 4 on numerator, what happen? X by A plus 4y dividing by 3A is equal to 1. I call equation number 1. See, observe here, from this you have to find the value of A, because this is the equation of straight line actually. This is the equation of straight line intercept form. But here is one unknown value, A is unknown value. So find the A by using taking condition. Clearly given here, the line is passing through 3, minus 2. This is the equation of line, no? This is the equation of line. So I rough here, because you can draw this one for your understanding. Even no need to draw also. It is not compulsory, not mandatory to draw the figure. See, 1 passes through which point? 1 passes. 1 means equation of line, passes through which point? 3, minus 2. We get. See, means put x equal to 1 passes through 3, minus 2. No, put x equal to 3 and y equal to minus 2 in equation number 1. So this becomes 3 by A plus 4 by minus 2 by 3A is equal to 1. Correct? So 3 by A minus 8 by 3A, 4 2 is the 8. Y is nothing but minus 2 equal to 1. LCM, A LCM, 3A LCM. What happened here? If 3A, here becomes 3, here becomes 1, correct? 3A into 3, 1 3 into 3. What is remaining here? 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. 9 minus 8 is equal to 3A. Cross multiplication. 3A is equal to 1 implies A equal to 1 by 3. Correct? Observe here, very simple simplification this one. 3a is LCM, a into 3, 3a, 1 into 3a, 3a. Correct. 3 3 is a 9, 8 1 is 8, 9 minus 8 is 1 by 3a. Correct. Okay. So 9 minus 8 cross multiplication. 3 into a, 3a. 9 minus 8 is 1, 1 here. 3a equal to 1. So a equal to 1 by 3. Put a equal to 1 by 3 here. What happened here? Put a equal to 1 by 3 in equation number 1. X dividing by 1 by 3 plus 4y by 3 into 1 by 3 is equal to 1. So 3 will go in the numerator. Here is 1 now. This becomes 3x. 3 3 get cancelled. Plus 4y equal to 1. This is our required answer. 3x plus 4y. 3 3 get cancelled. Only remaining 1 there. No need to write 1 here. 3x plus 4y equal to 1 or 3x plus 4y minus 1 equal to 0. This is our required answer. Just verify this one. This is passing through the point 3 comma minus 2. No. Put x equal to 3 here. 3 into 3 plus 4. Put y equal to minus 2 equal to how much? 1 here. 3 3 is a 9, minus 4 is 8 equal to 1. So 1 equal to 1. The answer is correct. The answer is correct. 3x plus 4y equal to 1. This is the equation of straight line. Required equation of straight line. The line is passing through the point 3 comma minus 2 and curves of positive intercept on x and y axis in the ratio 4:3. This problem is over just now. I give some work for you. Find the equation of straight line. I given directly here a equal to minus 1 by 2 and b equal to 3 by 2. Means x intercept is a and y intercept is b. This b equal to. So a equal to 5 by 2 and b equal to minus 2. Take third example, a equal to minus 1, b equal to 1 by 2. Okay. These examples for your practice. So I think you understand all the problems and even theorem, very simple theorem and very simple formula is there, x by a plus y by b equal to 1, equation of straight line intercept form. Okay. Thank you for watching. Keep watching. Jai Sai Ram.